Hey everyone, I'm Andrei from Kiravo, and in today's video I'll show you how to manage your DNS records. You can add, edit or delete your domain's DNS records from our control panel. First you need to log into our control panel and go to your website from the websites section. Then go to domains. Here you'll see your main domain and a free preview domain. Click on your domain, and this is where you can manage your DNS records. If you want to add a record, click the Add Record button. You can choose the type, like CNAME, TXT, MX, or A. Enter your host name and the value. You can customize the TTL, the time to live. The default is 300 seconds. You can change it to 1 minute, 5, 15, 30 minutes, up to a month. Then click the Create button. If you want to edit a DNS record, just click on it and you can edit it, then click Save. You can also click the 3 dots here, then click Edit. If you want to delete a DNS record, click on it, then click the Delete button, or you can use the 3 dots menu and click Delete. This model window appears and you click Delete to finally delete the record. There's other features here. For example, the auto configuration of your domain's MX records. For example, if you want to use Gmail, Google Workspace, you can click the Configure Now button for Gmail, and it will replace the default MX records with the Google ones, right? So any existing MX records will be overridden. Click Add Records to finalize this operation. You can also enable DNSSEC, but keep in mind DNSSEC requires support from your domain registrar. That's about it. That's how you manage your DNS records in our control panel.